Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday, 17 September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBPUSD, GBP and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and if you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that we were expecting this fall on Euro USD, because we have been talking in detail about the chart of US dollar DXY for quite some time, and yesterday also I clearly mentioned that though we have a resistance at this particular level, but still DXY is very bullish and there is a good possibility of DXY going up, and as per our expectation, DXY broke the resistance, and right now we can see that DXY US dollar is trading above the resistance, but still we do not have the confirmation yet whether the previous resistance of 92.78 has become the new support or not. So we do not have the confirmation about the new support. Okay, so in case market right now you can see that market is coming down, so if market takes support and bounces, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is the new support, but right now we still do not know. And on the other hand, if market starts coming down, okay, if market starts coming down, then the ultimate support that we have on the chart of US dollar is at this particular level, 92.50 to 92.40. This is the ultimate support on the chart of DXY, and also we also have a trend line which is also the dynamic support for the market. So in case US dollar witnesses some selling pressure today, then definitely it will be bouncing from this particular level, because it has a double support. It has got double support at this level, 92.50 to 92.40. So if it bounces from this particular level, then again you will see selling on Euro USD, and in case dollar starts going up from this particular level onwards, then Euro USD will be going down, because it has a correlation. Okay, and on the other hand, you can see that unlike my other analysis, I have also drawn Fibonacci levels here. Generally, I do not use Fibonacci much because I'm not a fan of Fibonacci levels, but here I have drawn because the reversal of US dollar, okay, the reversal of US dollar is very important if you want to trade on the chart of GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD. Okay, so in case market starts coming down and reverses from here, then we will understand that market has taken support at 23.6 level, and in case market takes support at 38.2 level, then it will be reversing from here. So we need the reversal of US dollar. We should have the answer from which level US dollar is reversing, so that we can take a confirmed trade on Euro USD. And this is the main reason I will request you, my dear friends, that you please draw this trend line, okay, as the resistance. Also this level, this horizontal line at 92.78, and this line. Okay, and if you want to draw the Fibonacci levels, you can draw, because the reversal of US dollar is important. Okay, so we have talked enough about the US dollar. Let's discuss what should be a strategy here. Okay, what should be our strategy here on Euro USD then? You can see that Euro USD right now is trading in a downward channel here. Okay, right now it is trading downward channel, and what is the trend? We can easily see that right now market is in downtrend. The present trend of Euro USD is in downtrend, and as we all know, in a downtrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot is always near the resistance, and in this case you can see that we have the strongest resistance at this particular level. First of all, we have got 1.1800, okay, 1.1800 as the resistance, which was the previous support, and on the other hand we also have this trend line also coming down, which is the dynamic resistance for the market. So we have got double resistance here. So in case Euro USD starts going up from here, then definitely their Euro USD will face extreme trouble at this level, and there is a good position to short the market. So if you find Euro USD reversing from this particular level, then you can easily short the market at 1.1800 or near this trend line, because we have got double resistance. On the other hand, if Euro USD starts going down from here, okay, then do not short the market below this black line or below this level 1.1750. Do not short the market below this level. Okay, you can short the market below this level, but keep in mind, okay, if you short the market, that this trend line may create some trouble. Okay, so short the market, but be very careful. Okay, in case market reverse, suppose after shorting Euro USD below this level 1.1750, if you found if you find market again trying to reverse from this trend line, you can also exit. But still, I'll say that the best trading opportunity on a Euro USD chart is this level 1.1800 level. So have some patience and wait for the market to give you a proper trade. And in this chart of Euro USD, the strongest support that we have is at this level 1.1710. We have been talking about this level for quite some time. So if you do not have this line on your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line. So the videos seem to be a little bit complicated. Please do not mind. I try to keep my videos as simple as possible, but the chart has become complicated, so the video has also become complicated. I'll be coming down tomorrow again to explain what should be a strategy for the coming week. And my dear friends, I have last month launched Pro Trader membership program, where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you want to know more, just go to my website and click on the Pro Trader section to know more in detail. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Uh, if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again with the analysis for the coming week. Bye bye. And yes, I forgot to take you to the Forex sentiment meter. If you are still watching the video, then let's have a look at the Forex sentiment meter. Yes, the Forex centimeter says that 30% retail traders have taken short position and 69% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and right now they have taken long position. Therefore, there's a good chance of market going down. So, bye bye, take care.